Package theft isn't just a customer service headache, it's a real business risk. And if your product is stolen before it gets to your customer, you're often left replacing it out of your own pocket. But it can even get worse. Imagine this. A stolen package later causes property damage or injury because it was tampered or defective from the start. Now you're dealing with both a lost product and a potential lawsuit. That's two separate risks from one incident, and without coverage, it can be devastating. A business owner's policy from Next Insurance combines property protection with general liability coverage. That means you're covered if goods are stolen in transit and if the product ends up causing harm. One policy, two layers of protection, perfect for the unpredictable nature of e-commerce deliveries. Next Insurance offers affordable, flexible business owners policy plans specifically for small businesses and online sellers. The application is quick, the terms are clear, and the coverage can be active in minutes. Protect yourself from theft and liability in one move. Click the link in the description and get your business owner's policy quote from Next Insurance.